Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to change your password on MailChimp in 2025. Whether you're beefing up your account security or just refreshing your login details, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. MailChimp is a fantastic tool for email marketing, but like any online service, keeping your password strong is crucial to protect your data. So, let's dive right in. First things first. Fire up your web browser and head over to the MailChimp website at www.mailchimp.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your current email address and password to access your account. Once you're in, look for your profile icon. It's usually in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Account or Settings. This will take you to your account dashboard. Now, navigate to the Security or Password section. It might be under a tab labeled Profile or Account Security. MailChimp's interface is pretty intuitive, so keep an eye out. Once you're there, you'll see an option to change your password. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your current password for verification. That's just a safety measure to ensure it's really you making the changes. Next, type in your new password. Remember, a strong password is your best defense against hackers. Aim for at least 12 characters, mixing uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. You'll need to enter it twice to confirm it matches. After that, hit the Save or Update button. MailChimp might ask you to log out and log back in with your new password to make sure everything works smoothly. And just like that, you're all set. You've successfully updated your MailChimp password. This simple process only takes a minute or two, but it goes a long way in securing your account. If you run into any issues, MailChimp's Help Center is a great resource. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.